This video is specifically made for iLRF e-Inovasi 2025 video competition to present our product is JDescriptor. We are excited to showcase a simple yet powerful innovation tailored for the scientific and academic community, particularly those involved in cheminformatics and molecular research. In this video, we introduce JDescriptor, a cutting-edge tool created to empower chemistry education through efficient molecular descriptor calculation. This solution was developed through a collaboration between a data science intern and an academic leader in pharmaceutical sciences. Together, they aim to solve a specific and recurring challenge in chemical learning and research environments: how to make descriptor-based molecular analysis accessible, accurate, and educational without financial or technical barriers. In chemical education and drug discovery research, understanding the relationship between molecular structure and biological activity, often framed under QSAR studies, is vital. However, most molecular descriptor calculators that support such efforts come with significant drawbacks. First, cost. Many of these software packages demand licensing fees running into thousands of dollars. Second, complexity. They often require local installation, library dependencies, Java environments, or outdated graphical interfaces. Third, the black box problem. Users frequently receive outputs without knowing what descriptors were calculated, what they mean, or why they are missing for certain molecules. These factors alienate students and limit the classroom use of molecular modeling. Instead of fostering curiosity, these tools create frustration. Instead of facilitating hands-on learning, they lock critical insights behind layers of technical and financial hurdles. JDescriptor addresses these challenges directly, with a streamlined toolchain focused on educational usability and research-grade accuracy. At its core, JDescriptor is a dual-platform application for molecular descriptor computation. The system takes a Jmol2 file, widely used in cheminformatics, and automatically computes more than 15,700 molecular descriptors. These include topological, geometrical, electronic, and fingerprint-based descriptors used in QSAR and drug development workflows. The results are generated as a clean, well-structured CSV file, ready for further analysis in Excel, Python, or machine learning pipelines. There is no requirement to install any software. Just visit the provided web interface, upload a molecule, choose your descriptor options, and download your result. For advanced users, the desktop version allows for higher throughput and deeper batch mode integration. But what truly makes JDescriptor stand out is its step-by-step visual progress tracking. Users can watch the system process atoms, bonds, fingerprints, and descriptor groups in real time, with terminal-level transparency and error-free computation. Every step, from reading the molecular structure to exporting the final CSV, is reported on screen with high granularity. Here are the defining features of JDescriptor. MOL2, file compatibility. The tool accepts MOL2 files, a standard format that captures 3D atomic coordinates and molecular features. This makes it especially useful for structure-based studies. 15,717 descriptors in one go. The output includes a broad spectrum of descriptors: constitutional, geometrical, charge-based, connectivity indices, hybrid descriptors, and pharmacophoric patterns. These are all documented and consistent with scientific descriptor libraries. CSV export, clean, readable, and complete. Rather than rendering plots or graphs, JDescriptor focuses on delivering raw, usable data in CSV format. There are no missing values. Each descriptor returns a numeric value per molecule unless chemically non-applicable. Progress transparency. Each stage of processing is echoed in the terminal or web console, so users understand exactly what's being calculated and how long it takes. This is especially educational for teaching how descriptors are computed and in what order. Fully browser-based, no installation. Designed with accessibility in mind, the web app works out of the box on any device with a modern browser: Windows, macOS, Linux, or Chromebook. For institutions, this means instant adoption without IT overhead. Open source and curriculum-friendly JDescriptor is open source and customizable. Educators can extend or restrict the descriptor set, wrap the output into worksheets, or create assignments based on the calculated properties. JDescriptor does not simulate QSAR modeling, nor does it automate structure-activity correlation analysis. Instead, it empowers students and educators to take the first concrete step in that journey by generating the complete numerical fingerprint of a molecule. By shifting the workload away from expensive GUIs and onto lightweight CSV-based interpretation, the tool encourages exploration. Students can now run their own descriptor calculations without waiting for lab licenses or installations. Instructors can create custom exercises, for example, comparing descriptor trends across molecular families or clustering compounds based on shared features. Feedback from early users has shown a noticeable increase in student participation, better understanding of descriptor roles in cheminformatics, and faster concept retention in QSAR foundations. The tool demystifies a topic that was previously relegated to postgraduates and research labs. Let's walk through a simple use case. We visit the web portal, upload a sample, Mol2 file, select descriptor options, either all descriptors or a defined subset, and hit Calculate. Immediately, the system begins parsing the molecule and shows the real-time process log. Once complete, we click Download, and a CSV file is ready for use. It contains thousands of descriptors, indexed and labeled, ideal for classroom assignments or ML model training. Ready data is available. JDescriptor isn't just a tool, it's a bridge. Between theory and practice, between educators and students, between curiosity and research. It removes the noise and lets the molecule speak through numbers. Whether you're teaching a class on medicinal chemistry, running a QSAR lab, or mentoring undergraduates in cheminformatics, JDescriptor gives you a head start. Visit our platform. Try it with your own molecules. And if you're an educator, we invite you to integrate it into your next semester's syllabus. JDescriptor is free, open source, and ready to scale with your needs. Built to bring molecular analysis to every learner, everywhere. Thank you. Here are a few tips. Explore the built-in tutorials, try different descriptor sets, and don't hesitate to reach out to the community for support or ideas. In summary, JDescriptor is more than just a tool. It's a bridge between complex science and accessible learning, empowering the next generation of chemists and researchers. Ready to transform your chemistry journey? Check out the link below to start using JDescriptor today. We can't wait to see what you'll discover. Thank you for watching and happy experimenting.